Let's find the colors. Find the color red. Great! You found it! An apple is a red color. Find the color yellow. Well done! That banana is a jello. Find the color pink. Great job! That cotton candy. Find the color green. Awesome! You formed the green frog. Find the color blue. Great! Blue jeans are cool pick. Find the color purple. You spotted the purple bag so fast. Find the color black. Nice word, that's cool black heart. Find the color brown. Nice work, that teddy bear is brown. Find the color white. Excellent, that hat is white. Find the color orange. Mission complete! You found all the colors. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.